Hello everyone, this is Maya from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up, which means we had to open up all the way, remove the whole brew unit, deep clean it and put it back together, replace some of the O-rings, sever some of the parts of the machine, also clean part of the grinder, clean part of the spouts, do a cleaning cycle, do a descaling cycle, and just basically give it a good cleaning, not only of the inside, also on the parts of the outside of the machine and parts of the spouts and parts of the grinder. So yeah, that's what we did. Starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine out, then we're gonna be doing a cappuccino on the other side of the spouts. Now we don't have the hose that is connected right here, but we'll still be able to test the whole system. Alright, now that the thermal box is at the temperature, the machine is going to grind espresso. It's going to deliver 1.5 ounces of liquid as well. It's going to do some pre-infusion, and then it's going to go into the extraction phase where you will see the coffee coming out. Nice steady stream coming out from the spouts. Excellent color as well. Looking great. Okay, and now we can do the cappuccino. The machine is going to grind again, and then it's going to get up the thermal block up to temperature to do steam. It's going to then dispense the steam coming out from here. Like I said, we don't have the hose, so we will not be able to siphon anything. We don't have the right adapter for this specific machine. But this is what you would like to see when you're not using the hose. That steady steam coming out from the one. Looking great. Excellent temperature. Working the way it's supposed to. Then we're going to dispense water. You can lower the spout just a bit. Usually you have a much bigger cup than this. There you go. Steady stream coming out from the cappuccino side. Excellent color as well. Three ounces of liquid. So there you have it, Jura E8 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.